In 2022, Hurricane Ian devastated the Fort Myers Cinnamon Cove community, submerging it under a 3-foot wall of seawater that swept through the area, destroying everything in its path. The floodwaters inundated the community, leaving the vulnerable carports and storage lockers completely destroyed. Seacoast faced a daunting 3-month deadline to rebuild a large number of carport parking canopies and adjacent storage lockers for 130 residences in the Cinnamon Cove community. These tasks had to be completed before the seasonal snowbirds returned. The Cinnamon Cove property management and some residents expressed doubts, saying there's no way Seacoast will finish on time. Not to be discouraged by doubt, we immediately demolished the crumbled carports and storage lockers. Then we brought on site all the materials and supplies and began rebuilding in the Florida rain and scorching summer heat. Seacoast efficiently rebuilt the storage lockers and carports within the allotted time frame. Additionally, the company replaced the roofing, soffit, fascia, and gutters for the Cinnamon Cove community. This completed work was met with sincere appreciation from the property management and residents. Working with a single contractor to handle all the necessary trades allowed for a streamlined process, which the community management team appreciated. In most cases, a project of this size would require the coordination of multiple contractors, which would have assured problems. If your Southwest Florida home or condominiums require roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.